good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 13. Jesus' brother them never believe in him. After that, Jesus go all about in Galilee. Him turn away from Judea, cause the Jew leader them did a look one way to kill him. Now, I did nearly time for the Jew people them out holiday. Jesus' brother them said to him, "Move out from your son now and go to Judea so your follower them can see the big and powerful thing them where you can do. Cause somebody we want people to know about them, no do what them a do under the quiet. So since you are do them sitting here, show off yourself to the world, make everybody see you and know where you are do. Cause no even your own brother them, they believe in him." But Jesus said to them, say, "For uno, anytime at the right time. But for me time not come yet. The people them in the world can't hate uno. But them hate me. Cause me tell them say where them do wicked and bad. Uno go on up there, go take part in the hot holiday. Me nah go. Cause the right time for me go not come yet." So after him tell them that, him turn which part him did there in a Galilee. After him brother them left to go take part in the hot holiday at Judea, Jesus go up there too. But him go under the quiet, so nobody could have seen him. Now, the Jew leader them, where they did there, did a look out for him and did a ask, "And which part him there?" One whole heap of people did a whisper where them think about Jesus amongst themselves. Some did a say, "Him a one good man." And you did have some way say, "No sir, I fool him, I fool up the people them." But in a all way did a go on, everybody keep at them mouth. No even a soul would have said nothing to make too much people hear what them think. Cause them did afraid of what the Jew leader them would have do them. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.